Hello, it's April and welcome to my toy world. Today we're going to build a farm diorama. Let's go ahead and put our farm diorama together and then we'll add our animals. Okay, our farm diorama is all set up and ready for some animals. Let's go ahead and bring in some horses. We have this horse here, this horse here, and this horse, and a baby foal. Those are our horses. We also have a donkey for the farm. And at the end I'll be sure and show you all of the animals set up around the whole farm. Now let's bring in some cattle. There are so many different kinds of cattle. Some are grazing out in the field. Here's this one. Very long horns on this one. We've got this cow here with a bell. And this cow also has a bell. Here's a brown and white cow. And we have two calves, a black and white calf and a brown and white calf. Now let's bring in a sheep family. Here's the ram. Here's a sheep, or ewe. They're on the grass. Here's another ewe. And a little lamb. We also have a llama and an alpaca. Let's put them over here by the barn. Next, let's add the pig family. Here's an adorable pig. And another pig. And two very adorable piglets, the baby pigs. We have a turkey for the farm. We have two rabbits for our farm, a gray one and a tan one. We'll put them down with the sheep. We have a goose for the farm pond. And we have a duck for the farm pond. And we have chickens for the farm. Here's a rooster. We also have a barn cat. And we have a farm dog. He's ready to help the farmer. And we have the farmer and his family. Here's the farmer's wife feeding the chickens and gathering eggs. Here's the farmer's daughter with a baby lamb. Here's the farmer's son helping with chores. And here's the farmer. Here's a bag of food for the animals and lots of hay. We'll put some hay around the farm. So those are all the farm animals on the farm. Let's go ahead now and take a close-up look at our farm diorama. So that was our fun farm diorama with all of the different farm animals. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at all of these wonderful farm animals today, and I hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Goodbye.